कहाँ बैठे हैं हम? नीचे देख रही हूँ। आज मैं ऊपर, आसमान नीचे, आज मैं आगे, जमाना है पीछे। ये देखिए आसमान आपको नीचे नजर आ रहा है मेरे। तो और वहाँ से देखिए वो 3 सिस्टर्स हैं, वो 3 सिस्टर्स नजर आ रही हैं आप लोगों को। मैं आपको क्या दिखाऊँ? ये देखिए
you're drinking the water from that waterfall. So that's pretty cool. Then looking out the left-hand side, we can see beautiful blue mountains. And that's why I would call it blue mountains. It's because we look blue due to the Rayleigh scattering effect and the eucalyptus oil. Now solitary, all the bush in between us and it is the Jamison Valley. You can see up here, great vantage point. You can see the broccoli trees below us. That's the rainforest. That's where you'll find the bottom railway station and the bottom cabway station, along with our boardwalk. The 10-minute boardwalk will remain open for a little bit longer. As you continue to look out the right-hand side, front right-hand side, you've got the three sisters on the front right-hand side. Their names left to right include Menai, Wimala and Gunny Dude. They're just some of the names given by some of the local indigenous peoples here. Keep looking out on the right-hand side as far as you possibly see.
देखिए अब हम इस केबल पे बैठेंगे तो बहुत ऊपर जाएगी। कितने बड़े बड़े इसके वो हैं जिससे चल रही है। Baby, move back. हम इस तरफ खड़े होंगे ना, ऊपर जाते हुए हम बैठे खड़े हुए, बैठने का हम यहाँ खड़े होते हैं ना, नजर आएगा। चलो यहीं पे रेलिंग पे, चलो चलो आगे चलो। As you enter the cabin, once again, mind the gap. As you enter the cabin. Come here. Once again, folks, just mind the gap and make sure you have a wristband or a single ticket. If you do not have one, just come to me at the top inside the cabin. You will need to pay for it. क्या चाह रही हो? Once again, you've got a wristband for a ticket. You now have one come to me at the top.